Looking for your dream home near Osur with excellent Bangalore connectivity? Here is an amazing opportunity for you. Introducing premium 3 BHK duplex villas starting at just 85 lakhs. Located with smooth connectivity from Hosur to Bangalore Road, Kalahasthipuram, making daily travel to Bangalore much easier. These villas are designed for comfortable and modern family living. DTCP approved project. Bank loan available up to 80 to 90%. Spacious living room with dedicated puja space. Stylish modular kitchen with dining area. Bedrooms with waterproof wardrobes. Elegant false ceiling interiors. Located inside the beautifully planned KP Lake Avenue gated community. Booking has already started and units are filling fast. Don't miss the chance to own a premium villa at a great starting price. Contact now for site visit and booking details.